let's just start over. What am I doing again? What are we doing again?
Yeah, so now if you just go ahead and plug it back in.
So I just plug it?
And then hold the power
into
button
the
down
hole?
for about 30 seconds.
Into my ass? Or...
Yep,
Ugh.
yep,
You good?
30 seconds. Mm-hmm.
I hope you don't got that COVID. Ugh. Mm-mm.
Yep.
Bruh, sit down and quit all that pacing.
How are you even sitting down right now? What else am I supposed to do? We're in a jail cell. We lucky to even have a couch. I mean, at least do something, bro. At least I'm pacing back and forth trying to find a way out. Like, what are you doing? Gentlemen.
Oh shit,
Sorry
here we
about
go.
the wait.
Man, tell us why we in here, man. We're mucus. We should have been released into the air hours ago, bro.
Well, the Department of the Lungs sent me down here to explain that the brain is currently in a meeting. So, we're gonna have to hold on to you guys for just a little bit longer. I'm sent here to make sure that you guys comply. And you stay inside here until the brain decides that...
Man, I'm gonna drop him
mucus is
while
ready
he's
to leave the
talking.
body.
Shit. Ooh. Nah, go ahead. Play if you want to.
Yeah, I figured you guys wouldn't comply, so I brought this. Stupid. They even gave him a chance.
I don't know how to tell you this, bro. You just fucked up. See, we're just not your everyday mucus.
What's that mean?
We're mucus caused by the COVID virus. Ergo.
Yeah. Yup. Y'all ain't vaccinated. Y'all ain't vaccinated. No. It's true, they're not. Next time, get vaccinated, bitch. Yeah, now if you go ahead and pop...
Oh, sir. I'm just gonna hang out.